Hello everyone. So this is a very small video on IPCs. Now there are already 3 videos on IPCs. You can watch them under the FMT playlist. There were a few which I had left in those videos, so I'll discuss them now. So starting with 312 to 318. So you already know this 312 is corresponding to criminal abortion. So 3 for C, 1 for A and 2 for B, nothing to tell. So this is for criminal abortion. Okay. Now let us write this. So 2 is for criminal abortion with consent. This is criminal abortion without consent. Then 314 is for death of mother due to miscarriage. 15 is corresponding to feticide. 17 is for abandonment of the child, and 18 is for concealing birth. So how to remember this? 312. So a couple and a child makes 3, but they do not want this child, so they are saying okay, you subtract 1, we are okay with 2, so 3 minus 1 2. So they themselves are saying I only want 2, so you take out 1. So this is with consent. Then 313, this couple and a child, but they are saying we are okay to be 3, we don't want to remove anything, so this is without consent. They are not consenting, they're already fine with 3. And 314, so 4 is rhyming with floor. So like the typical Indian movies where the actress falls down and there is miscarriage, so death of mother due to miscarriage. And 315, when you write 15 and when you repeat it, it's like 15. Okay, so if you omit this F, it's 15, so it's feticide. So 15 is for feticide. Then 17, 317, so as always my 7 is for heaven. So again, like the Indian movies where a woman is very sick, she is lying on the bed and his small child has run in the rain to get medicines, and when he came back with the medicine, she's already dead. So she has abandoned her child. So 7 is for heaven, so she went to the heaven and now her child is abandoned, so this is abandonment of child. And 318, now here 8 will rhyme with gate, so this is the gate and the baby has been concealed behind this gate, right? So baby has been concealed behind the gate, so this is concealing of birth, which is under 318. So let's get back to this. And yes, we have already seen this. So when you get 312, you obviously mean this is for criminal abortion, but 312 is for with consent, they only want 2, without consent, they're okay with 3. Due to miscarriage, 4 is for my floor feticide, 15 is for fitting, then 7 is for heaven. The mother has gone to heaven and now her child is abandoned. Then 8 for gate, the child is concealed behind the gate, so there is concealment of birth. So I hope this was helpful to you, and thank you very much. All the best.